Okay, listen to me. Can I talk for a minute, please? Can I go ahead and talk?
No, because I'm here to listen to me, and I'm going to tell you what you asked me what the parts were.
I'm trying to find out where my parts are.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
We got $8,000 worth of parts from you, and half the stuff we had to return, I had to go ahead and put it on an 18-wheeler to return them. We don't have the parts that I ordered a week and a half ago that we paid over $1,000 for.
Okay, is this the order that's got hood hinges on it?
I don't know. Read the order to me and let me see what's on the order, please.
That's what I'm doing.
Because I don't even have any emails from you. You know, most companies will email you with tracking numbers and all this other stuff. You guys haven't done nothing except take our money.
I see an order was emailed to you on July the 25th, sir.
Okay, well, it wasn't emailed to me unless it went in my scrap. If it went in my scrap pile, I don't know. And if it was on the 25th, what's today's date? Today's the 1st. When is it going to be shipped out, and when am I going to get it?
Okay, what do you want me to do first? You mean to tell you what's on the order, or do you mean to tell you where I think it is?
Go ahead, read the order, sir, please. Please.
It's been picked up, it's in transit.
Okay. Go ahead and read the order. Go ahead. What do we got?
Alright. It's in Atlanta, it left Atlanta, it's in transit to you.
And where are you guys located?
Colorado.
Where are you located, sir?
We're in Georgia.
Okay, you're in Atlanta, Georgia.
Gainesville.
You're in Gainesville, Georgia, and you're telling me that the parts got picked up and they're sitting in Atlanta. What's that, 35-mile drive?
No, I didn't say that. I said they're in Denver, Colorado right now.
Okay, you told me that they were in, that you see, before that you said they were in Atlanta, Georgia on their way to Denver.
They were picked up and moved out of Atlanta on 7/27.
Okay, what are my parts doing in Denver? Having a lunch break? Filling their bellies up with
transit to you. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get you the sales manager.
Let me do this. Hello? Look, why don't you just tell me what I ordered so I know what's going on here? Go ahead.
Left and right hood hinges.
Got it.
Left and right fenders.
Okay.
Tailgate component kit.
Right.
Door hinge pin kit.
What is a tailgate component kit? What does that consist of?
It's the heart.
Okay, the hardware for the tailgate. Got it. Okay. We got some hinge pins for the doors. Got it. What else?
Hood catch assembly.
All right. Got a hood latch.
Hood lamp switch rod.
A hood. Hold on a second. Back up. Hood lamp.
Headlamp switch.
Okay.
Rod and knob.
Got it. That's correct.
Headlamp switch.
Okay.
The wiper switch.
Now, is that a wiper switch? Hold on a minute. The wiper switch that I ordered, is that for washer as well?
I've got it. Let me look it up. Can we get the rest of the parts?
Yeah, go ahead. Get the rest of the parts. I took a note. Go ahead.
Tailgate bumper set.
Got it.
Tail lamp assembly with chrome trim, left-hand side.
Okay, tail light lamps assembly, left side. Got it.
Got the right-hand side also.
Okay, mirror image. Got it.
Grill emblem.
Which is what?
The grill emblem that says 454.
Okay, 454 big block. That's what I have. Go ahead.
Gauges for lens gauges.
Got it.
Without clock.
Yes.
A dash bezel.
Okay.
Chrome.
Okay, hold on. Did you say non-chrome? Did you say non-chrome?
I said chrome, black and chrome.
Okay. Chrome trim black. Got it. What else?
Left bedside,
The left,
right bedside.
the left bedside and the right bedside are on this order.
Yeah.
So you're telling me?
The back one. Those are backwards.
Okay, I was gonna say, what is this coming on an 18-wheeler?
Yes.
Okay, well, the bedsides aren't coming. I can tell you that right now.
I just told you that too.
Okay. What else we got on there? Is that it?
And then a headlamp dimmer switch, which is not coming also. That's backwards.
So I don't even have the little foot dimmer switch.
Right.
Wow. Okay, let me ask you this, guy. When will it be here? That's what I want to know. When? What is the delivery date?
It says August.
You are joking me. I gotta wait a whole other week before they get from Denver, Colorado to Moab, Utah, which is 200 miles.
Just tell you what.
I can't believe this. This is ridiculous. I'm a guy trying to run a business. Can I talk for a minute? Thank you. I'm running a business here. I can't even put food on my table because I don't have the parts to put on the truck so I can get some money from the owner. And I've been in business for 43 years. And you guys are telling me now those parts won't be here for another week? So I guess I'll go ahead and give the guy free storage while we're waiting on you to ship our parts, sir. Hello?
I'm just listening to you. You told me you wanted to talk, so I'm letting you talk.
So I'm asking you a question. Are they gonna be here for sure on whatever day you said? In 5 more days?
That's what the truck line said, sir. That's what the truck line is saying.
Why are those being shipped on a truck when you could have shipped them UPS? Why?
Because they don't fit on a UPS truck.
You're telling me that a box that holds a fender will not fit on a UPS truck. You're telling me that.
That's correct.
That's the only things that are big are the fenders. I mean, I've been in business a long time, guy. I know how big a fender is.
Do you want to continue to tell me what you want me to hear?
I just want the parts that we paid $8,000 for.
What I can tell you. If you don't like what I'm telling you, you need to talk to the sales manager or something like that. Because I'm only just giving you information as to what I can give you, sir.
But let me ask you this. Why are all these online operations like you guys always finagling around and squabbling, and we're the ones paying for it? Tell me that answer.
I can't answer that question for you, sir. We're trying to do the best we can to take care of you right now.
What about the bed sides? What about those? What's the storyline on those today? I'm going to be honest with you. I wish I would have just paid for the shipping. It probably would have been here by now. You get this free shipping crap, and then it takes 9 weeks to get the shit. And then the most crucial piece that I need, the dimmer switch for the headlights.
Do you want me to finish helping you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Or are we done?
Go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. One of the bedside's going to be available for delivery. So I could go ahead and let the owner know, because he's on my ass
right now.
like a big stick.
Yeah, I kind of know how you feel.
How's that?
I've been listening to you. Tell me.
Okay, well, why don't you come over here and work for me, and you can hear all my customers complaining.
I don't think that would work out.
Okay. You can hear all my customers complaining and see how you feel, because you can't get sleep at night because...
Okay. Yeah, do you want to help you? All right, these are on the way.
I'm listening, sir.
I'm looking up. You're not giving me a chance to answer your question without asking another question.
Okay, I'm sorry.
The right-hand side just came.
Okay, so the right-hand side just got there.
Right.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead, get on my computer, and play on it. Okay?
You do that. You do that.
I'll get on my computer, I'll watch some YouTube. I can't play games because I don't download stuff. I don't want viruses on my computer. I'll do something on my computer. Maybe play my guitar for 5 days while I'm waiting on parts from you guys.
Okay.
Better yet, you know what? It'd probably be faster if I just drove to Denver and picked them up.
Why don't I just cancel these bedsides and just refund you?
Because I don't think the owner would appreciate that. See, what the problem here is
I mean, so far,
but I'm the middle guy. But I'm the middle guy.
I've talked to you.
Do you understand what I'm saying, Mark?
Do you understand? I'm not going to talk to you anymore. You want to talk to the sales manager? You can talk to the sales manager. I'm trying to help you, and I'm not doing a very good job, apparently.
All right, look, I'm sorry, okay? Listen to me. Hello. Okay, you see, that's the deal we got when you're dealing with these online companies that don't want to give you nothing but hassle. As long as they get their money, they're happy. They're happy campers. I'm waiting around for parts and can't even get any. And now we're going to have to deal with the sales manager because they don't give a shit about me. They don't care about you. Because their deal is they got millions of other customers that can take your place. They don't need you. I think we've set it up here, and hopefully our parts will be here next week. That'll be 3 weeks it took to get here. 3 weeks. 3 fucking weeks. Actually, almost a month. It'll be almost a month that I ordered these. They were paid for. $2,500 worth of shit. And we don't have the stuff. I'm done bitching and complaining. I gotta go.